Welcome to Baby Nutrition Series with Chef Alayo, and this is episode 2 and recipe 2 of our series. Here we are all about making your journey to weaning or introducing food to your baby simple, nutritious and fun. In this video, we are making simple 2-ingredient cereal powder that you can cook up for a nice wholesome breakfast, lunch or dinner, and they are perfect for babies who have mastered one grain food. And in this recipe, we are going to be using rice. I'm using white rice, which is easy to digest, and rolled oats, which is excellent for fibers and sustain energy. In making this recipe, we are going to toast our rice and oats for 10 minutes until it turns nutty and dark, just like you see in the video. This step is important because we cook the oats on dry heat and it helps prevent the powder from growing rancid and increase the shelf life of it. Also gives it nice aroma. Allow your grains to get cooled before you blend, because if you blend while it is warm, it's retained moisture that makes the powder clumps. Now you can store your grain in an airtight container, but now let's cook some of this grain. I scooped some of it and made a slurry with powdered milk or baby formula milk. Ensure that you have a smooth paste by this one, because if it is lumpy, your end product is going to be lumpy. This is the fun part of this. And while you are mixing this, ensure your water is already coming to a boil. Then you transfer that into the pot and you mix that together to cook until it thickens. This recipe thickens quickly like a smooth porridge, and for babies that has mastered food, you can add mashed banana to sweeten this up, date powder. Do not give babies less than 1-year-old honey. Don't sweeten their food with honey. You can also use egg yolk at this point for more nutritional properties. So at this stage, your baby porridge is ready. You can transfer this into a bowl, allow it to come to warm temperature before feeding the baby with it. Already your baby cereal is nutritious and simple to make with just 2 ingredients. This powder is homemade, preservative-free and very convenient to make, and it is nutrient dense because rice provides quick energy and oats add fiber for healthy tummy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I can't wait to share the remaining recipe in this series with you.